Dr. Sharath Honati, working at Vita Family Clinic, HSR Layout, as a consultant family physician. Symptoms like belching, especially after some medication like benzamides or any of the multivitamins, can very well be managed with an PPIs, which is anti-reflux agents or some acid suppressant agents.